Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, you need update software version. To do this, you need to open Marshall Bluetooth application, and if you add your headphones to the application, you will see the same menu here. Now, scroll down and go to About. And right here at the bottom I have the information that my software version is the last one, because firmware is the same as software. And if you haven't, you will see a button install firmware or software, I guess firmware. And then you just tap at this button, and you need to wait just until it install this new version for you. You don't need to tap nothing, only this button. Now, if it didn't help you, or maybe you haven't new software version, the next one what we can do is to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music or Spotify on your browser. You need to remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Now check it. Also, I recommend it to check if you have the last version of this audio player. So go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update if you haven't. Now, if this methods didn't help you, we need to restart these headphones. So on your right ear cup we have a multifunctional button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds and you will restart these headphones. These headphones will turn off and turn on. You will hear audio prompts for it. I guess I make it in the bad way, so let's make it again. Here we go, and now we made this restart. Now, if the restart didn't help you also, you need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to do the same, but you need to also add this M button on your left ear cup. So you press and hold at the both of these buttons for at least 10 seconds. And after that, you need to remove these headphones from your phone and then add it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.